Did you make a wish?
Yes. My children wouldn't scold me.
Well, now it won't come true. You told it.
Oh, I'm sorry. You can blow one out on your 10th birthday or your 11th birthday.
Stick it back in the candle.
Yeah, I can do that. I mean, like,
I don't mean to impose upon everybody, but if you don't mind, today is we're celebrating my wife's birthday, and her name's Teresa, and I love her very much. And I just want to take just a second to express to you what I feel about her.
sit down and quiet.
I don't need a whole lot of money. I don't need a big fine car. I got everything
Oh my
a
God.
man can want. I got more than I could ask for. And I don't have to run around. I don't have to stay out all night. 'Cause I got me a sweet loving woman. And she knows just how to treat me right. Well, my baby, she's alright. Well, my baby, she's clean out of sight. And don't you know that she's some kind of wonderful. She's some kind of wonderful, yes she is. She's some kind of wonderful, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Your turn.
Oh no, you don't want me to sing. You just say.